Hello and welcome to the edusyms support video tutorials. Printing ICASS mark report on edusyms is not that difficult as you think. I'll demonstrate this in the following video tutorial. Let's get this party started. Navigate from the admin menu to reports, then to exams and academic performance, and then to ICASS subject marks report. Click on ICASS subject marks report. Choose term from the top left filter drop-down menu, and then engineering from the field drop-down menu. The ICASS subject mark report will appear on the screen. The report will include Test 1, Test 2, and Test 3 year marks abbreviated as YRM, and final exam marks abbreviated as FEM. Before importing final exams marks that will be sent to you from the Department of Higher Education and Training DHET at the end of each examinational cycle in the form of a TXT file, the FEM column should ideally be blank. If there are any marks in the FEM column or remarks, ignore them for the time being because they will be overwritten when you import final exam results. Because you selected final exam instead of mid-year exam when loading results, there are marks in the FEM column before importing final results. Finally, on your top right, click on the print icon. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for your time. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel.